Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. December was a 5-week series, and usually 5-week series are more volatile. And 4 weeks have gone already, and one day is a Christmas holiday, and therefore we are left with only 4 more trading sessions for this series as well as for this this calendar year. So let us see what happened last week. And last week I said Nifty is likely to trade between 13,200 and 14,000. Some people have actually commented by saying that, sir, your range is getting wider and wider. You are giving 800 point wide for 1 week. But what happened on Monday? And Nifty fell more than 500 point at some point. And Bank Nifty fell 1,500 point. I think we have already spoken enough about the technical glitch, why the markets fell, and so on. So let us not go into the details about all those things. But Monday, it was a fantastic fall. Then the next 3 days, it was a fantastic rise. And finally, the market closed somewhere. It closed the previous week. But if you leave 1 or 2 shocks here and there, the long-term trend is in the uptrend only. I always say the fruit-bearing trees only will be receiving the stones. So in a bull market, the corrections will come every now and then, and usually bull market corrections are fast and furious, but with the same fast and furiousness, it may recover also. So that is what actually happened last week. Now, coming to the next week, and usually FIIs, many people, they go on holiday between Christmas and New Year. That's because Christmas is a holiday, New Year is a holiday, in between one Saturday, Sunday may come, so that's a holiday. Then 2 or 3 trading sessions, if you take off, you can get like about 8 to 10 days of holiday. You can plan for your family holidays, because in stock market, we don't get this kind of chances. So because of that, usually FIIs are less active. And not only that, so they work their financial year. Like we have a financial year from April 1 to March 31. They have a financial year from January 1 to December 31. So if they close everything before Christmas, then this 1 week will be enough for them to do the auditing of the books, accounts, checking and everything and this and that. So that's also one of the reasons. So therefore, the next 4 trading sessions, we may not see any big action, but at the same time, the volume will be very, very less, but less volume sometimes can induce the volatility. Less volume means people who are selling small quantity also can fall more, buy small quantity also can go up more. But that will happen without volume. In fact, last few trading sessions already, FII volume has come down by 30-40%. So it's going to be insignificant one in terms of volume. Because the volume is insignificant, so we have to consider the price action also insignificant. Other than that, going by the option chain, 13,500 put option has the highest open interest and 14,000 call option has the highest open interest among call option. So therefore, we can expect Nifty to trade between 13,500 and 14,000. However, some sectors are looking really very bullish. IT sectors particularly is looking ultra bullish, and most of the IT stocks hit 52-week high during the last 1 week. Among the banks also, ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank, they both are looking very bullish, and in fact, Kotak Bank hit all-time high yesterday. That is on Thursday. And now, long-time sleeping giant Reliance started moving on last Thursday. So by looking at all these things, plus the global Q, over the weekend, the good news is that the Brexit deal has been done. So that was a very big uncertainty for a long time. Now that uncertainty is over. Next week, we may receive some good news from US stimulus front also. So the positivity continues, but at the same time, the volume will be less, and therefore, I am not expecting any big move during the next 4 trading sessions, and maybe 250 point up or 250 point down. So 13,500 to 14,000 is the range, and I have sold a lot of call options above 14,000, and I have also sold put options below 13,500 by sensing that we have only 4 more trading sessions. Time decay will be very fast, and markets are not going to make any big move. Of course, bearing unforeseen circumstances. If anything, if NSE comes out with one more glitch, market fall 500 points, we cannot do anything. So there is nothing much to talk, but definitely the next week there will be many things to talk with the new year. And thank you.